At ayon naman kay 10,000 Alan Peter Cayetano na dati umano'y enabler ng tukhang at tagapagtanggol ng drug war ni Digong.
Reports say 3,800 people have died in anti-drug operations.
Yes.
3,800 people?
Yes.
You think that's fine?
Killed
by who? Police officers?
By police officers.
Who admitted that many of those killings were false killings?
No,
that they were dressed up?
Dapat daw tiyakin ng gobyerno na may tamang proseso para kay Bato.
Is that may sistema tayo ng hustisya sa ating bansa at ang korte ang nakakasakop. Diba? So, kung ikaw threaten ang life at liberty mo, diba? Anong options ang gagawin mo? So, actually, personal kong pananaw, hindi pa namin pinag-uusapan ng buong minority, yung gobyerno dapat i-assure si Senator Bato na merong proseso. Diba? Kasi kung sasabihin anytime pwede kang damputin at dalhin sa ibang bansa, hindi ko sinasabing option sa lahat yon na huwag magpakita. But when your life or liberty is threatened, you really think of options. So yun yung option niya.
Nakapagtataka lang na biglang naging pro-due process at justice ang galunggong na to.
So every single one of the 3,500 people who was killed was a drug dealer?
Yes.
How do we know that? You didn't try them, you didn't prosecute them, you didn't charge them, you shot them on sight. That's not a democratic way of solving crime, is it?
Yan talaga ang nangyayari kapag wala ka na sa kapangyarihan. Naging pa-victim na at pro-due process. Samantalang noong hawak nila ang power, ang yayabang nilang lahat at hindi nag-a-apply sa mga mahihirap ang justice at due process.